The thing large, the thing viral, the thing global. For all them viewers and subscribers, we are going to talk about a man by the name of Ackeem who pick up some corn down at St. James. He did not make it. Also, we are going to talk about a Canada rapper who lose him 3 points down in a Jamaica. Now we kick it off like this, my people. We are going to talk about Ackeem. Now a man by the name of Ackeem was slapped away down at St. James. Hey, my people. Youths and youths, look at your scream. Look upon a brother here and tell me what you think about it. Even though it's never a good thing to judge a book by cover. Ackeem look like a real knackies, though, people. Looking at Ackeem look like a real top man in the street. You know, say, yo, Ackeem not afraid of that boy. Now the police them go for him and spread him out to that bedpan sheet and make him know, say, yo, me not have time for waste some taxpayers' money upon you and fling in a prison, you know. Me I knock it and cap it upon you. You see me? Now Ackeem not there again, my people, in the street. So me now start to the youths them. Wise up. Learn from Ackeem. Learn from other people. You see how the police now drop them one by one though? Look at this. The police them now ramp. As them get an intel boy, you them a come find a yard, brother. Them a come find a yard. I could your mother, your baby pan breast. Me no know. Them a come knock it pan you. Youths and youths, be wise. No phone, you know, me see a ton top man in the brother. A man a control, you know. A man in the wine in the bottom, you know. You hear me say? Man a wine and grind, you know. And send the pan move like crash dummy. I want to go do. Go pan move and get to the head back, shell out. Only now wise up, brother. Me tell you come and talk to you. That's the main aim of me make the channel, you know. To come and make you know, so yo, una go out foolish, brother. Una give on a life, youths. Because them police are well want una like youth like una, you know. Especially the one we got them body now, enough for themselves, you know. Police ram fist them around and knock out them head. Leak out them sitting on the ground. Leak out the jelly on the ground. You see me? Them police know them now ramp. Them get strong permission, so yo, knock it and talk. Knock it and they talk after that. And a joke thing. So you see you them St. James, Clarendon, Westmoreland. You see if you not change in ways, brother, and try something different. Coffee food, no. That me I tell someone to say, no one here, keep on living a life like that, brother. Cause we come on this, when the first time we come chat though, I want someone who know. Put down the tool and go take up a shovel. You see me? Go join a course. And stop wasting a life, brother. We are going to move on now in the people. We are going to touch upon a brother here. You see me? Yeah, we are going to touch upon a brother here, people. Him name Young Driller. Yeah, man, Young Driller. This is a Canadian rapper. The man get made mash out in a Jamaica, people. Yes, man. Man, them dash him way. Brawling. Jesus, peace. Some people are saying set up. You see me? Because there's no way at all. He might come out and say the man dash him away. Why never dash him in hometown Canada? I swear. Here we go on now, people. Hamilton rapper Young Driller was reportedly being analyzed in Jamaica. Early reports claim the artist was analyzed inside a villa early this morning. You get the rest of people? Early this morning, the man them go for him and put him to sleep. Jesus, peace. What could have caused this? Eh? What him could have done so? What him could have witnessed? Is that it? What the man could have wanted with him so? Jesus, peace. My viewers, I swear. Imagine you come from Canada and you can lose your life in a next man country, my people. That's supposed to, yo, that shit gotta hurt. I swear, that shit got to hurt my viewers and my subscribers. Obviously, me say the person who do it, them obviously know him. And them probably know same day Jamaica people. And I joked in this. This was a planned attack. The man them know exactly what go on. The man them know exactly where he was. I could have him woman sell him out to people. The man could have one girl out of him there with. And him girl sell him out. Just, hey, I truly don't know the people. A whole heap of thing I want to Jamaica, you know. Whole heap of thing I go on in a Jamaica, yes, so. Jesus, peace. Rapper, musician. My gosh. The man them put him to sleep. Jesus, peace. Hey, my viewers. Yo, me I want to know. One was to me. Be careful. Not getting yourself involved and no mixed up with nobody. You see me? No one wanna call friends. I swear. Hear this news of people. We're gonna talk about that woman here. Look for your screen now, people. This is a Jamaican woman extradited to US over alleged 80,000 lottery scam. 80,000 lottery scam, people. Yo, one thing we know for certain, you know. Them Jamaican woman and man, them not learn, you know. Them Jamaican woman and man, them not learn. You see, more time in a life, people, you have to satisfy what you have. You have to hold out. Enough time with some people, some big apartment, you know. Have a 2-3 car in a big business, you know, and you wonder how them get it. You see me? Enough for them to say them thing, I be scared them a scam people. Them a scam the elderly people, them are them money for fatten for them pocket. So right about now, this woman is having an office for she. She going to spend some time behind bars. Because you have to know, so yo, what is yours is yours. Only can't speak, so come live over the old people them. And so this thing go. Eh? And looking at her face, looks so innocent people. Looks so innocent and nice. When them are the real chopper in the streets. You see me? Them are the real chopper in the streets. Me now feel sorry for no thief. You see me? A 20-year-old Jamaican woman has been extradited to the United States in connection with an alleged lottery scam that authorities say resulted in losses of more than 80,000 US. Jenny Crescencia Row of Torrington in St. Elizabeth is reported one of 6 alleged co-conspirators being investigated in Graves County, Connecticut. According to authorities, victims were alleged told they had won a whopping $250 million, but first they need to send money to covered suppose a IRS fee. Investigators allege that some of the money was deposited into an account associated with Roe. Roe was brought back to the United States by U.S. Marshal on August 20 and taken into custody in Tennessee. She is expected to face proceeding before being transferred to Graves County. Authorities are seeking charges including theft by deception and engaging in organized crime. Lord God Almighty. Woman, go look work. And if you don't look at work, go look at skill. We can maintain it and stop rob the people them. Stop rob the people them money. No for the Jamaicans that so no want even know. You don't want to make one phone call and phone and be your money with you on the foot, brother. No, someone don't want to work. You don't want things easy. No. In a life, nothing at all comes easy. You have to work for what you want. What I say? You have to work for what you want. Some of viewers and my subscribers, as me say, me now feel sorry for them woman here. Turn back a prison and thing and know it feel. Now we are talking about the St. Mary police unfair man over attempt on the life of woman. The St. Mary police are on the hunt for a man wanted in connection with the attempt on the life of a 51-year-old woman in Fort George, Anatomy in the parish on Sunday. According to the police, sometime after midnight, an argument developed between the man and the woman at her home. The police said during the dispute, the woman was reportedly struck in the head with an object. Thereafter, a substance was shown on her FACE. You get the message, people? So you know, so them man are really and truly lose it right about now. Them man they want to analyze him woman. For what? You get the message, people? That's what I'm telling you. None for them boy I see, man. No for them boy I see, man. Them not live to Father God face. The amount of things what them a do. something where them are do my people, them are gonna feel the hard way. Because get some of people, them not understand, say, yo, in a hurt it for your hurt woman, brother. Because the woman don't want you, she just don't want you, dog. You can't not talk about that. And that is what them feel for understand. You see me? But the greatest thing, she alive and she can tell what really happened, people. Now, this young man is in a scream and thing. Now, there's a viral video circulating on social media where this man is seen asking for medical assistance. Now, it is alleged that it's a police officer. Now, the Jamaica Constable Force came out and, on their Instagram page and determined that this man has nothing to do with the police. You see me? He has no affiliated with the police force. You see me? The Jamaican Constable Force, JCF, is distancing itself from a video circulated on social media featuring a man who's being portrayed as a member of the Jamaica members of the police force and is said to be in need of medical assistance. In a statement Monday, the JCF said it's aware of the video in which the narrator claims that the man requires medical assistance. Yeah, my people. So, me don't know how comes this, how comes this something like this tend to be police. Me I say matters and all these things, because why would someone need to do a video and portray to be a police and they are not? You get me I say? Some of you are my subscribers, we're gonna move on. We're gonna talk about this little one named called Daniel Johnson. Reports from the Longville Park police are that about report from the Long Park police are that on August 23rd, 2026, about 2 p.m., Daniel was last seen at home. Her mode of dress is unknown at the time she went missing. She's a brown complexion, slim built, and about 162 centimeters, 5 feet 4 inches tall. Anyone knowing her whereabouts is asked to call the Longville Park Police Station at 902, should I say, 5370. Yeah, my people, more like she could have there somewhere and a hideout, or, what I say? Them probably still find her. But that is it making the news, people. Remember to please like and share and leave your honest opinion down in the comment section. Take care.